How's it going, guys? SYGTECH is here. Welcome back for another video. Super excited because I have two microphones, two microphones. But I already did a video about these two microphones, but let's do another one because I think it's fun. And also, you can hear the K688 with no post-processing, but this is gonna change because the reason for today's video is we're gonna compare them with some post-processing. So we'll see which microphone sounds great. Let's switch to Maono PD200W. And now this is the Maono PD200W with no post-processing, just to check these two microphones. Which microphone do you prefer with no post-processing? Straight from the box, I think both microphones sounds nice, but I think that the PD200Y is a little bit more warm. The K688 has a little bit more low end, but this is not a bad thing. So it depends of your voice. The K688 maybe is gonna suit your voice much better. So now let's change that with some EQ, guys. This is the magic. Let's do that. And now this is the no, it's not the K688. It's the Maono PD200Y with the warm preset. Let's change the presets and let's discover which preset is good for this microphone. I'm using the Vocaster 2, pretty cool audio interface. If you want to see a proper review with this audio interface, which by the way I'm using for more than a year, let me know in the comments down below. I'll do a video for you guys because I love you. So now this is the warm preset with the Maono PD200Y. And this is the bright preset with the Maono PD200Y. The microphone is already bright, so let's change it to radio. And now this is the radio preset with the Maono 200Y. Which microphone sounds good? Let's change to K688 now. And now this is the K688. So as you can see, this microphone actually is all right. I like it, but has this low end, which in my opinion sounds good. So I'm not gonna lie, but let's change that. Let's add some EQ. And now this is the bright preset on the Vocaster 2. Let's change it to warm. And now this is the warm preset on the K688. And this is the bright preset. The microphone, I think, sounds much better with the warm preset. And now this is the warm preset on the K688. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you think? Let's do that now. Let's change to Maono PD200Y. And now this is the Maono PD200Y with radio preset. I think the radio preset sounds the best with this microphone. So there we have it, guys. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you think? I got like 1000 plus videos in my channel. You may find something useful to watch, so check my channel. It's on my head here, as you can see, SYGTECH to the game. Not really. So what do you think? Which microphone do you like with EQ? Do you like the PD200Y? Or do you like the K688? See you in the next video.